Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, guys. We are from Group 5, and first, we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Gita Chirani, and my friend is.
My name is Lulu Layria Mesla.
My name is Laila Nazrika Putri.
My name is Kusnita Dian.
Now, on this occasion, we will present about redundancy. First, my friend will explain what redundancy is, and there is the explanation.
Okay. In English, we need to avoid using redundancy. So, what is redundancy? Redundancy is the repetition of words that have the same meaning or meaning resulting in wasting or words. This is not good. Apart from being monotonous, it also makes sentence ineffective. In practice, this group of words is often used out of ignorance, so you don't make the same mistake. Below is a list of words that are always redundant.
So, it can be concluded that redundancy is the repetition of words or phrases that are actually unnecessary or a waste of words. Redundancy is divided into three types. First is repetitive words. Second is repetition of nouns by pronouns. And the third is unnecessary information. Now, I'm going to explain about repetitive words and phrase. Repetitive words and phrases is repeating the same word or phrase unnecessary, or you might rephrase something you already said in slightly different way. So repetitive words and phrases itu is repeating the same word that unnecessary. For the example is, I'm always mixing up the pair of twins. Mixing up the twins, the word the twins and the pair is the same word and same meaning, so it is a waste of word. I'm always mixing up the pair of twins is incorrect. The correct is I'm always mixing up the twins, because the pair and the twins is the same word and has same meaning. The second example is, in the report we will discuss the main findings of the study. We will also delve deeper into the key result. The delve deeper in the sentence just repeats the idea of discussing the main findings. So, the first sentence is incorrect. In the report, we will discuss the main findings of the study. We will also delve deeper into the key result. The sentence is incorrect because delve deeper just repeat the idea of discussing the main findings. The correct sentence is, in the report, we will discuss the main finding of the study into the key result. The second type of redundancy,
So there are example of redundancy. The first is advance forward, proceed forward, and progress forward. So advance, proceed, and progress, all three, it means to move in forward direction. Therefore, there is no need to use the word forward. So simply advance, proceed, or progress. Second is return back and revert back. Return and revert have meaning to go back or to send back, which basically means to return, to go back to the beginning. Therefore, there is no need to use the word back. The third is sufficient enough. These two words have the same meaning, which is enough. So, just use one of them.
And the next example is compete together. Compete means to take part in contests against other. Take part in a fight of to defeat another. So the word together, there is no need to use it. And then reason and because. The two words reason and because indicate the same thing. Therefore, reason and because are not a suitable pair. However, reason is used together with that. And next is join together. Join means to bring together or to put together or to become a part of members, which essentially means doing something together. Therefore, the word together no longer needs to be used. Next is repeat again. Repeat means again. So, the word again doesn't need to be used with repeat. Next, new information. Innovation means new idea. Therefore, there is no need to use the word with anyone. And next, Matin performance. Matin has a performance that performance during the day. Therefore, the word performance does not need to be added anymore. Next, same identical. These two words each have the meaning same, so just use one of them. Next, two twins. Twins meaning two twins. Therefore, there is no need to mention the word two again. Next, the time when. The time and when indicate two things, the same one. It is a description of time whose translation is moment, so just use one of them. And the last is the place where. The place and where also indicate the same thing, namely description of place. Therefore, just use one of them.
Now the example of repetitions of nouns by pronouns. So we have a sentence. The incorrect sentence is Naila, she wants to cook some food for her boyfriend is incorrect because C, do not use pronouns after nouns. In this incorrect sentence, it use pronouns and nouns in one sentence. Naila, she wants to cook, and Naila and she has the same meaning, so you don't have to use she again if you use nouns as Naila. Like the correct word, the correct sentence, Naila wants to cook some food for her boyfriend. Next, unnecessary information. This includes details that are obvious, relevant, or don't contribute to your central point. And this is example: the bright red fire truck raced down the street with a loud siren. The color red is kind of implied with fire truck and mentioning both just and clutter. And here another example of unnecessary information, obvious details. For example, if you say, I went to the store and bought an apple, there is no need to add that the apple is red. This This is obvious because apples are usually red.
So the conclusion is redundancy is repeated words or phrases that are actually unnecessary or a waste of word. Redundancy is divided into three types. The first type is repetitive words and phrases. Repetitive word and phrases is repeated the same word or phrase unnecessarily. And the second type is repetition of nouns by pronoun. In this type, we do not use pronouns after nouns. And the third type is unnecessary information. In this type, this includes details that are obvious, irrelevant, or don't contribute to your central point. Okay, that's enough from us. Thank you and sorry for the mistake we did. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.